to kayaks. So we are at Dead Man's Park. We talked to a ranger. You can kayak all of this river going down all the way until you get to the visitor center, or even before, or even after, if that's up to you. Ranger at the station, he said that he did all of this from starting from the green, blue into the black. He did all of that on a paddleboard, on a stand-up paddleboard. They got restrooms here. Trash. We have our 2 kayaks. We're waiting. He dropped me off here. What he's gonna do is that since this river is going downstream, he's gonna go park the bean with the kayak holders in the visitor center boat ramp launch down there. That's where we're gonna end up getting out. In order for him to come back, he is taking the electric bikes. Around 3 o'clock, it's just 3:03, so he hasn't been gone long. And we'll time that. See how long it takes him to drive over there, park the bean, and then drive over here with the electric, or not drive, pedal back here with an electric bike. The guy said literally you could just float. My butt's cold. There we go. Oh God. Ah! Is it? Right there. Maybe. White tail, white head. It looks like it. I got a lifer. I got a lifer. No. Only in the zoo, but that doesn't count. Kinda how big it is. Yeah. But at least it's flowing and it's not hot. Way up here earlier. Yes, yes it does.
Better than the Pecos?
Yeah, I thought the water was gonna be cold. It's not that cold.
Yeah, those other lakes are gonna go to because those are glacial.
Yeah. Well, it's good that we don't have to come back this way.
Oh, yeah. That would really go. Because you already had somebody ride the bike to you. All the way down to the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad I have them. You should have kept yours.
Dude, you don't have to wear your other shoes.
I don't know. I think they're comfortable, so.
Yeah, they are cool. Probably the ugliest shoe ever.
I should have gotten the pink ones. The pink ones.
See the little canal for that other spot that begins with S?
Oh, that north. I don't know what it is.
Whatever it's called, that landing.
Yeah.
I start seeing a dam then.
Tired yet? Tired yet? I'm just waiting to see either a bear or a moose, something. Yep.
I wouldn't want to get under that one.
Nope.
In case it falls. Even though I kind of was.
Side cross. Nah, that's a tree up ahead.
Huh?
It's a tree or something. Not that cold. It's not that bad.
Is it as cold as lava?
It's a little colder than lava, yeah. Just a smidge.
Lava was pretty decent.
Yeah.
Also had the hot springs in there too.
Yeah. Well, you can push Hodge, sit there, eat lunch.
The freaking river rat knows all the link out.
Yeah. That's pretty. Wrong steak. Probably not. I mean, you could. Like, I wouldn't be okay. Like, I would be okay jumping in, but the left side. Oh, fuck. You okay? Okay, there he is. I know, I was just trying to see where, as long as I stay away from the trees. There's a bird on the tree. Not these, right, kind of right behind it. On the very top. Oh shit, which way do we go, babe? And do enough research on this. I'm not getting no service. They may go the other side. This looks shallow. I'm a little worried. If we took the wrong turn.
I think it's an island.
Is it? I don't have service to look.
No, it's okay. same way.
You okay? Oh, fuck.
Okay. I don't think we went the right way.
I don't think so either.
You're good. Hold on, let me see. Bring it up, Preston. That'll help you, okay? It's not that crazy. Here, grab my shirt. See if you can help me with my shirt.
What is it? What? Oh. Okay.
Grab my paddle.
Oh, these things hurt. I got it. Yeah.
I don't think the boat goes that way.
No. It's just one straight thing.
Going down Yellowstone Falls over here or some shit.
Yeah.
We're gonna take a left between those rocks real quick.
Yeah.
Just kind of let it go. It'll be okay. Shoot for that point right in front of you where the rocks are.
Right there? Going that.
Yeah, go high to the left.
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. I know.
Easier. That more fun though.
I know. Nah.
You don't think so?
Probably $80 per person. 60 to 80, I say. Yeah.
I was gonna say, for that to be an offshoot of the river, it was very big. Large. Oh, is that a blue right there? Or a Meganzer?
The Ganser has that red head. You thought of what?
I thought that tree was a blue.
Huh. Okay. You gotta move. Yeah. There's the Grand Tetons. This is second day 2. We are planning to do the Snake River once again, but we are doing the beginning of it. Across the dam is Jackson Lake. So this is the first part. And we'll look at the map. So yesterday we did the black part. So that's more advanced. Today what we're here at Jackson Lake Dam. We're doing the green part. We're gonna stop at Pacific Creek. So that was green, so it's a beginner. Sometime during the week we're gonna end up doing the blue part. And then yesterday that's where we went in. Oh, this is where we went in. We went in at Dead Man's Bar and we went all the way to Moose, and that's a black part. Updates from yesterday. Doing the creek, my GoPro camera battery ran out of battery life. So you didn't get to see all the fun parts. Right after it cuts off, we had flipped. That was fun. After that, we pretty much were on the river for almost 2 hours, 2.5. So it wasn't that long. Really constant flow. It was really good. This one's really short because on Google Maps, from Pacific to the other boat launch to where we're gonna end up taking out, Google Maps says it's 9 minutes by car. So it's not that long. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. Jackson Lake Dam, you're here. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. How the river. So this is our path. Jackson Lake Dam. And we're gonna go down. And it just keeps going and going. That's pretty cool. Oxbow Bend. 2.4 miles downriver. That's pretty cool. And it's just gonna keeps on going and going. And Pacific Creek. Okay, so that's where we are. That's our stop. So I'm just looking for a trash can to throw my stuff. Apparently there's not one close enough here. So that's the only downside to this, that there's no trash cans up there near the pond. So if you have any trash, make sure you do it before you go up there to drop off your kayak, boats, whatever it is. It's 71 degrees out here. The lowest is 40 at night. It gets pretty low cold, but blankets and a warm heater would do. It is Labor Day weekend, so everything is packed. Book ahead, look ahead, get your permit. You need to make sure you have that. They do ask for that, and they do require you to have a life jacket on board. I did get stopped by a ranger earlier. She asked if everything was in. She was just checking up on us, seeing we had everything that was required for launching. I'm just waiting here right now for Cameron to get back. We'll see how long this takes. Yeah. Oh, we forgot the paddleboard. That's funny.
Forgot the paddles asleep.
There's a ranger right there. She talked to me already, so she knew who I was.
Tom, you were waiting for my chest to come down and bite.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, this is really calm compared to yesterday. You gonna jump in later? Yesterday we didn't have a choice.
Yeah, those are carp.
Just jump in. Go grab one.
I don't think you need those, probably. You need a pitchfork.
Fish are friends, not food.
There's some different ones in there. You gotta look. It has like yellow and green with it. Yeah, it's skinnier. Is that what it is? Is a trout? That one's a biggie. No, you gotta hit the iceberg. There you go.
The pine needles.
No, I am very short. You could touch it with my pole, my paddle.
My back is hot over Sudan.
Yeah, it's warm.
Buy new ones.
Hmm?
We break the plastic on the seats.
I like turtles.
I like turtles.
Oh.
Guess we can go have lunch, go to Jackson, get gas, whatever else.
Yeah.
And then maybe do Phelps Lake on the way back at sunset.
Yeah. Got off at Pacific Creek. So we did that section. We had did this section yesterday. All we are now missing is this big, nice piece of junk. Comes the bean. Ready? Yep. What time did you get out of work?
3.
3?
Time's about 5.
4:30? Almost 5, yeah?
4:30?
Yeah.
That's not too bad. This is the longest section, I think. I think it's like 11 or 12, maybe longer.
We started off on the strong one.
Started off the hardest one.
Yeah. Big flatbed right there. Look at that view.
Nice. All to yourself. Looks like it flows on the left there.
Yeah.
I've been trying to catch the flows of it.
Yeah, 34 minutes. Huh? Yeah. It was very clear this morning. Oh shit.
Nothing.
You don't see it?
Is it a duck? Or is that an eagle?
I think it's an eagle. He went,
He slammed down?
or maybe it's a duck. I don't know.
No, it's an eagle. It's a hawk. That's an eagle. You just got a fish. No, it's an osprey. Osprey.
Wow.
He's too small to be a...
The eagle. That was pretty cool. Hopefully I got that on the GoPro.
I missed it totally.
What are you looking at?
I was trapping my paddle in the ground.
Eagle too.
Oh, he's gonna go grab it. Okay, wants it. 'Cause that was a small guy, that wasn't an eagle. That was an osprey, I think. He wants his food.
That's the one that caught the fish.
An eagle and an osprey fighting. The eagle is just chilling there.
Yep. Look at him.